Angels join the circle of dhikr. They love places where Sayyidina Muhammad ﷺ being praised. Because Allah said, وَرَفَعْنَا لَكَ ذِكْرَكَ. We elevated your mentioning. Whoever doing dhikr or doing salawat or praising Rasulullah ﷺ is elevated. And we reach the circle of elevation that we were invited to. إِنَّ اللَّهَ وَمَلَائِكَتُهُ يُصَلُّونَ عَلَى النَّبِيِّ يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا صَلُّوا عَلَيْهِ وَسَلِّمُوا تَسْلِيمًا. What happened when you do salah on Rasulullah ﷺ? Allah will do on you 10. And automatically the angel will do with Allah. Allahu malaikatu yusallun. And Allah told us in the Quran, هو الذي يصلي عليكم وملائكته ليخرجكم من ظلمات إلى النور. Allah and the angel do salah on you to take you away from darkness, put you in light. It's not you yourself you're doing this. Allah is taking care of taking you from darkness, putting you in light. And we need it in this time of age. And we need it in the West. We need it everywhere. We need this light. Today, Jazallah khair, Sheikh Samir, he gave us the 40 hadith of the love of Rasulullah, of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And every hadith will open something in the heart. Sheikh al-Akbar, Sheikh Muhaddin al-Arabi, he had a student who is a sheikh that his brother died and he saw him in the dream. And he told him, what did Allah did to you? What happened to you? He said, Alhamdulillah, we got in the good place, we're good. And he said, no, tell me what happened. He said, no, everything is good. He said, tell me, did you see him? Did you see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? He told him, يَرَاهُ هُنَا مَنْ عَرَفَهُ. The one who see him here, the one who have a Marifah, the one who know him in this dunya. So he wake up immediately from the dream, and it's before Fajr. He went to his Sheikh, Sheikh al-Akbar. He knocked at the door and said, عَرِّفْنِي بِاللَّهِ. I have to know the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One of the hadith today when Sheikh Samir mentioned that the one who tell his brother that I love you for the sake of Allah, the more that person loves Allah, the more he will say to a lot of people that I love you. So Allah chose his Habib sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's the highest love. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam loves the whole ummah. Love every single one of us. And he told Allah Sahaba, Bashiru wa la tunaffiru, yassiru wa la tu'assiru. Give good news, make it easy on people. He said, Shafa'ati li ahli kabair min ummati. My shafa'a is people who have big sins. He said, Ni'mal abdu ana li shirari ummati. What a blessed am I to the evil of my ummah. Why? Because of that love. We have to know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah told in the Quran, if you not follow this deen or not with this deen, I'll get rid of you and bring people that I love them and they love me. It's based on love. That's why Allah gave the name of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam Habibullah. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, also the hadith we got today, that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us that al-mar'u ma'man ahab, you will be with the one you love. And they say that your action cannot reach you in a place at all with your action. Only love can get you to that place. So imagine if you love Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam from your heart, and then you will be with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You will be at the level of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam by love only, not by action at all. And then imagine also, al-mar'u ma'man ahab, you will be one you love. Ask yourself, whom Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam loves? He loves Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So he is with whom? With Allah. And you get a free ticket to be in this circle because you love Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And loving Rasulullah, you love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And that will increase your ma'rifah of whom? Of Allah. Because they say, been narrated, man arafa nafsah arafa rabbah. If you know yourself, you know Allah. Which nafs I need to know? I have nafs al-ammara bis-su' al-lawama, al-mutma'inna, al-radiyah. Which nafs? Allah told us in the Quran, لَقَدْ جَاءَكُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ. There's a prophet came from amongst yourself, your nafs. So if you know that nafs, which is the perfect nafs, من عرف نفسه, which is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The more you know Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the more I know whom? Allah. But what happened? Sahaba, they told us, Man khalatahu ma'rifatan ahabba, to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you mix yourself by knowing him, have ma'rifah, then you love him. So you are going to love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Man arafa nafsa arafa rabba. You know, you have to ma'rifah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That automatically give you the love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and that gives you automatically the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. While there's some people nowadays, there's a lot of people, they miss this point of love of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they took the route which is a valid route, but it's a very hard route. Allah said in the Hadith Qudsi, ما زال عبدي يتقرب إلي بنوافل حتى أحبه. My slave will come with the extra deeds and extra deeds and extra deeds and extra day and night until I love him. Then we will get that love. The first route is the easy route. It's like a free. So you get it for free. That route, yes, you can get that. Extra nawafil. And nawafil, by the way, it's not only like extra fasting or praying or charity. Your smile is nafila. Taking care of your neighbor, taking care of loving each other, helping each other is all nafila. The more you do nawafil, the more you come close to that Allah will say, I love you. And the moment Allah says, I love you, he see by me, and he hear by me, and he walk by me. And if he asks me anything, I'll give it to him. So that's, you will get him to wilaya, to be a friend of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah wanted also, today we'll get from Shaykh Samir the hadith also, من عاد لي وليا أذنته بالحرب. And it's part of the hadith of the love. How come if you take my wali, my friend as enemy, I declare war on you? So you have to watch your heart. And Allah made the awliya hidden. You don't know who's wali. I'm sure there is wali here and there's waliya here. There's no doubt. But I don't know whom. Since I don't know, I have to treat every single one as a wali. Just in case. I don't want to have Allah declare war on me. That's why you have to look over your heart and make it clear. Especially in this Rajab and Sha'ban and Ramadan, we have to clear our heart and put it in it, the sweetness, which is the salawat of Rasulullah during the month of Sha'ban, and then open your heart for the Quran in Ramadan. We are lucky to have Sayyidi Qari Umar here to read Taraweeh. Wallahi, you hear the Quran from him, goes to your heart, and Allah arranged this for all of you. Alhamdulillah. And Allah said, وَإِذْ تَأَذَّنَ رَبُّكُمْ لَإِنْ شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. If you thank me, I'll increase you. Allah is telling us. Don't think you get this for granted. Thank Allah for every moment in your life. For your food you're eating, for your health, that you can move your hand, that you can do this, that you have scholars here and there, you have Sayyidi Qari Umar that for Taraweeh, and that you are able of fast, and thank Allah for everything, Allah will increase you. Thank Allah for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank Allah for loving Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank Allah that Allah give you a chance to know Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that will lead to know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wa sallallahu alaihi wa sallam Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam.